Good morning. It is Wednesday, the 1st of March, and we have at 10 a.m. ISM Manufacturing PMI, high impact news for the US economy. And just looking at S&P 500 on the daily, we see that we are pressing with this downtrend action towards 3.9. Target 3.9 now. Bearish. As predicted, this is now becoming supply here at 4,000. We're targeting this area here. So that's the target on S&P 500. Dow Jones Index pushing towards 32,000. I always get mixed up between S&P and the Dow Jones, as I'm sure you've worked out by now. 32,000 is the target there. This is the area that we're looking at for the 4 hour. So the 1 hour. 4 hour. I'm going to be looking in this box. But it's a downtrend. It's pushing through this area of demand that's been holding since the 19th of December. So once that penetrates, probably get pushed back up to like 33,000, 33,500, but ultimately we're definitely going to 32,000 and back on the way down for a bit. 4 hour. Okay, we zoom into that box that we just looked at. Pretty strong downtrend. Okay, so the opposite, uptrend, downtrend, new lows, and that's where we're heading to at the moment. It's pretty easy to draw this out. Might mess around here at 32,600 for a bit, but ultimately is going to get down here. Okay, at some point in the next during this week or next week, it'll be down here. That means we want to sell any pullbacks. Anything that comes back up, we want to sell it. Anything that comes back up, we want to sell it. We can see that clear on the 1 hour. Okay, anything that comes back to the top of this area, sell. Anything back up to here, you can see how well this channel's holding. It's a beautiful channel. Okay, anything that comes back up in this region, you want to sell it. Yeah. So buying may work against you. If you are seasoned with this and you know what you're doing, you can buy. But just make sure you're avoiding news and just being aware of the days where it rolls for it, goes for it hard. And that comes down to intuition and feeling, which you will gather over time. But for now, especially if you're just starting out of this, just look for sells. Super safe. Okay. Didn't end up even making it up to the top there. It just kept the same path. And so that's the action we're looking at right now. Yeah. It's kind of flow like this. Okay. That's it. That's downtrend at the moment. It's a 1 hour. Let's zoom in on this area here. Look at what's happening for this session. It's 9:30 right now. It's the index open. Yesterday, that was my planned trade at the end of the session there. And it came into that zone, bounced out of it. Okay, that was during Asia. But that's how you have to trade your buys. You have to trade ahead. Look for the next demand zone down. Obviously, the next one down beneath this is, we measured that out. Okay, if you look at yesterday's analyses, we were taking the average wave measure, the dip. That is the distance between 23rd of February and the 24th. Grab it. Okay, we can measure that up from that low there. Drag it out. Pretty much the same distance, yeah. So when's the next bit going to be? We just take that distance down here. That's where your safe buying is. Okay. And now we have new supplies. Yep. Anything that bounces up here is great. Okay. Especially, look, since it's hit the bottom of the river here, anything that moves up into this area is great sell. Just pull back on the high time frame, boom, that's the area you want. So just anything, and you can even extend your take profit out to the median, make some good profit there. Keep that stop loss out of the way, put an alert just above, make sure. Cool. And then demand zone just down here. Okay. And that's it. Pattern today, that. All down here. Kind of back up like that. That's the movement we're looking at, okay? So they're the zones. Wait for it to come up there. Have a great morning. Finishing the rest of the course this morning now, and then working on some automation. Exciting times this end. Have a great day. And again, anybody that's watching this that's new, we'll be starting with you next week. So just get through the course, get as much of the information into you as you can, get that flow going, and I'll be in touch very shortly. Thank you.